Hello and welcome. In today's video, we're going to explore 8 websites that can help you learn a new skill for free. Whether you're looking to improve your career prospects or just want to broaden your knowledge, there's something for everyone on this list. Without further ado, let's get started. 1. Khan Academy. Khan Academy offers free courses on a variety of subjects, from math and science to humanities and computer programming. 2. Coursera. Coursera partners with top universities and organizations to offer free online courses on a wide range of topics, including business, technology, and art. 3. Codecademy. Codecademy is a free site that teaches you how to code through interactive lessons and projects. 4. Duolingo. Duolingo is a language learning platform that offers free courses in over 35 languages. It's a fun and engaging way to learn a new language. 5. MIT OpenCourseWare. MIT OpenCourseWare provides free access to course materials from almost all of MIT's undergraduate and graduate-level classes. 6. Udacity. Udacity offers free online courses on topics like programming, data science, and business. Some courses even offer certificates upon completion. 7. Harvard Online Learning. Harvard Online Learning provides free online courses taught by Harvard faculty on topics like history, literature, and philosophy. 8. FutureLearn. FutureLearn offers free courses taught by top universities and cultural institutions from around the world. The site covers a wide range of topics, from health and psychology to science and technology. And there you have it. 8 websites where you can learn something new for free. From coding to art history to language learning, there's a course out there for everyone. So why not take advantage of these resources and start learning today? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this one.